Hello, I'm Andrea. I'm a celebrant based in Edinburgh, and I've been invited by Ceotha to demonstrate handfasting today. Today we're going to explore handfasting using a decorative centered knot and also a looser centered knot, which is perfect for infinity knots. But it's really important to highlight that there is no right or wrong when it comes to handfasting. What is important is that whatever you choose is meaningful to you. And to demonstrate today, I have Heather and I have James, and we are here at Glencorse House, Old Kirk. So welcome. I am now going to demonstrate an infinity knot, and we're using the cord that I shared earlier, which has a lovely long loose section, perfect for tying the infinity knot. Could I ask you please to join your left hands? Thank you. I'm going to drape the cord over your hands. This would be a lovely time to invite a family member or loved one to play a part in your ceremony by draping the cord. So at this point I might share some words about handfasting, I might share some words in regard to the couple, and then go ahead and begin to tie the knot. So a nice infinity knot, a couple of loops, threading through, and then placing the knot on top of the couple's hands. Lovely. Then I would invite the couple, maybe with their free hands, to place one on top of the other, on top of the knot. Wonderful. Share some words. The other option there would be holding the ends of the cords with your free hands. Yeah. Wonderful. Again, sharing some words. And when it comes to the end of the ceremony, or whenever the couple want to tie the knot, I would invite them to hold the end of their cords or their cords and begin to release their hands, take a step back, and allow them to tie the knot. Nice. Lovely. Beautiful. Now I'm going to demonstrate handfasting using this beautiful decorative center knot. So I would like to invite you to join your left hands. Wonderful. And then I'm going to begin by draping this over your hands. And again, anyone could be invited to do this. So for this demonstration, the couple are going to tie the knot themselves. So first of all, I'd like to invite James to begin by draping the cord over Heather's wrist. Lovely. And then the same, Heather, with you. Beautiful. So you're draping that over each other's wrists. So I'll invite you, James, to begin taking your cord, and then Heather taking your cord and looping that through. Excellent. So then pulling, that's excellent. So you're sealing in that vow that you have just shared. And then it may be that you want to share more vows, 2 or 3 more vows, and add knots yourself. Or the celebrant could tie a knot. Maybe one more joint vow. Beautiful. And then at the end of the ceremony, or whenever the couple choose to release their hands, I would invite them to just gently begin to release their hands. Wonderful. And there we have a beautiful memento of their vows, of their love, something that they can keep, they can display at home, and they can use again and again.